Do you take notes from your virtual classes and you don't have time to continue writing because you can find your pencil sharpener?
Don't care anymore! With the incredible Sharp Mouse, you can sharpen all your pencils and colors quickly. The Shar-Mouse has a technology that incorporates a novel automatic pencil sharpener into an ergonomic wireless mouse.
Just pop any pencil or color into the Shar-Mouse and it will automatically sharpen it in for you. And when the Shar-Mouse is full, just remove the button cap to remove what's up from the compartment.
So don't miss this offer. Get your Sharp Mouse for the incredible price of 14 with 99.
But if you are one of the first 50 calls, you will get the second Shar-Mouse at half price. So call 01800 Shar-Mouse now and take the advantage of this incredible opportunity.